Hey y'all, I'm sitting in my driveway because I'm waiting on Stacy to come. We're supposed to be going to eat lunch and she was going to meet me here so I can follow her. She lives around the corner. So yeah, so I'm about to do that, go eat some lunch. I need to really get some gas, like in a major way. I need gas. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go and tour some homes for my client. Gotta find her a house. We did put in an offer on a home. By now, I probably have already put up the video tour of the house, but we didn't get it. Even though we put in an offer well over ask, we still didn't get it. We were up against 13 other offers. So that's that. Let me see. So that's that. And so I'm gonna go and tour. I hope it doesn't rain. I'm gonna go tour some houses for her today. And she's supposed to be here at the end of the month, but I'm hoping that I can find her something before then. Well, it's not about finding it, because we can find the houses. We just have to actually win the bids, the offers. So I'm gonna go look at some new construction. Probably gonna take you guys with me, kind of a day in the life of a realtor type of vlog. Hopefully y'all find this interesting. I'm trying to figure out how to, I'm a very interesting person, just not on camera for some reason. So I'm just trying to figure out what y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? So you let me know in the comments, like, what do y'all really want to see from me as far as these vlogs are concerned? Because I told you I have no life. I work, I come home, I cook, I clean, I go to bed, I do it all over again. So anyway, that's on the agenda for today. Mexican food. I hope it's good. And then some home tours, and then back home. I have a class to teach tomorrow, an ebook course that I'm teaching, or class that I'm teaching tomorrow. It will be available for to purchase the mini course. I'm gonna put it in the description, because by the time y'all see this, today is Wednesday, but y'all won't see this until probably Friday or next Monday. So if you're interested in learning how to create your ebook, publish your ebook, design your ebook, make money from your ebook, I'm gonna put the link to the course down in the description, along with my other courses and books and stuff like that, because y'all know I have a crap ton of stuff to offer. But anyway, let me get off of here, because when I'm on here, my phone is connected to my car, and I don't get messages because the phone thinks I'm driving. So anyway, I'll be back. Okay, so while I'm driving, right, let's talk. So as of last night, which was Tuesday night, no, what the hell is today? No, Monday night. Today is Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. Lord Jesus. So last night it broke that Porsha Williams from Real Housewives of Atlanta is now dating. Okay, let me back up. So I was watching this. Oh, she speeds. I don't speed, girl. I'm a black girl. I can't be speeding. Anyway, I think I know where we're going. Okay, so Porsha from Real Housewives of Atlanta, it came out, or no, she posted a picture of her, Simon, and her baby daddy, Dennis, right? Simon is the ex-husband of a friend of the show that came on through Porsha. Now, Fallon didn't really have much screen time, but the screen time that she did have, Porsha was at Fallon's big, beautiful home with her husband, right? So this is how we know Fallon, and this is how we know Simon. But apparently Simon and Dennis were friends, all right? And I guess that's how Porsha met Fallon, is through her baby daddy, Dennis. Got it. Okay. So it came out about a month or so ago that Fallon and Simon Fallon and Simon were divorcing. Sad tears, right? So he was like, well, damn, we just met these people on the show, right? So then we see Mother's Day, Porsha posting pictures and stuff like that. Well, Porsha was posed with Simon in a way that most women would not pose with a man if it was not her man. Feel me? And then Dennis was in the picture also, but she had her back towards Dennis. And everybody would say, oh, it's innocent, it's nothing, they're just friends. It's body language 101. So I was like, they screwing. They are more than just friends. So House of Aaron here on YouTube, I was actually watching the video of him kind of breaking this and everybody trying to figure out what the hell this picture is all about, right? So, you know, everybody, it was just strictly speculation when he started the live. We were just analyzing the picture and coming to conclusions, right? And a lot of people in the chat was like, oh, that's just innocent, there's nothing there, and whoop-de-wop, right? See, they blind. So towards the end of the live, it you know, people were sending Aaron videos and stuff like that because it was literally unfolding as he was on the live. So at the Mother's Day bash that Porsha had at her home, there was a DJ there, and the DJ posted a picture on his story of Simon and Porsha dancing. Now, they never touched, but you could definitely see the chemistry between the two dancing. Okay, all right, cool. Then somebody else in the chat was like, hey Aaron, go check out this video, I just sent it to you. And it was a little clip that Simon had posted on his story where he was dancing, and you can hear a woman laughing and talking in the background. And we all said that it sounded like Porsha. The voice was slightly higher pitched, but it was Porsha. Okay, cool. Then Porsha posts addressing the rumors and the questions, and people wanted to know, like, are you seriously dating Fallon's ex-husband so quick? Wasn't y'all cool? And she was saying that they weren't friends or whatever. So, and then today it comes out that Simon actually confirms that, because we did see that big rock. So when she was posted that picture, her hand was on his big stomach, and you can see this big rock, right? And we knew it wasn't the same ring that Dennis had given her, because that ring's shaped differently and all that. So anyway, so all of this is developing. So my question is, how do you all feel about this? Okay, how do you feel? Now, they say that they weren't friends, like long-term, long-life friends, but this is still somebody that you knew and that you were cool with and that allowed you into her home. Regardless, y'all were getting to know each other, whatever, what have you. It's like girl code. You know what I'm saying? How you just gonna push up on this man? If Porsha likes, and I love Porsha, I do. But Porsha likes anything with a coin. It don't matter if it's male, female. She will open her legs. What Mama E say, bust it low and spread it wide. Is that drop it low and spread it wide? She would literally do that for anybody with a coin. Okay, we know she was with Dennis because he had money. She was with Cordell because he had money. She's with this guy because he has money and his own jet. You know, I think it's just such a violation of girl code. You know, I would never ever push up on a man if I was cool with his ex-wife. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I was cool with both of them while they were together, I could never. I'm too loyal for that. So y'all let me know down in the comments, like, what do you all think about this? I've actually been in a very similar situation. I will tell you guys that whole story time. I've told it before, but I'll tell you guys in another car vlog about how it went down with me, my ex, and my ex best friend. But yeah, let me know how y'all feel about this all unfolding. Like, where was this tea when season 13 was filming? Because those who watch Housewives of Atlanta know that season 13 was the worst season ever. It was horrible. I used to be happy every Sunday to, unwind and watch Housewives. Not this season. I haven't felt that way in actually a few seasons, pretty much ever since Phaedra left. Phaedra is still and forever will be my favorite. She is the shadiest of them all. Yes, she is. And even though the rumor that that was horrible, but I still like Phaedra. I still like Phaedra, and I'm praying and hoping and praying that Bravo can convince her to come back, make up with Nene, get Nene to come back. Sheree, I think all they have to do is throw a little check at her and she'll gladly come back. Even Kim Zolciak, I would like to see her back on the show. I really would. She was good for the show. She was funny, and she just, I don't know, I just liked her on the show also. They need to get rid of LaToya, get rid of Drew, because Drew just, I don't even know what. And I started out liking Drew, but she just fishing for straws. They basically need to get rid of everybody. Porsha says that she may not be back. I can't imagine her coming back and getting the backlash that she is going to get because of this. But she said, I don't believe her though. I think she'll be back because, again, she likes her money. Candy can go. I like Candy, but she can definitely go. Everybody can go. Just bring back the OGs. If Porsha decides to stay, keep Porsha. And let's just go back to the rivers and the lakes. Oh yeah, keep Kenya, because Kenya is, even though I'm not a fan, Kenya is very good for the show. Period. So anyway, again, comment and let me know what y'all think about it. Do y'all think that she is in violation at this point? Or do you think because they weren't like BFFs that Porsha is not breaking girl code? Y'all let me know down in the comments, and I'll probably show you my food if it looks good. And then again, I'll show you guys when I'm touring. I love Toll Brothers. Okay, thank you. Of course. The front door. Okay. So we got the dining. And then we have the patio area. That goes to upstairs. Okay. Master. Oh, these are some high ceilings in here. Dang.
dark trim. It looks awesome.
That is really nice. Okay, so this is a three
car garage.
3-car, a tandem?
Yeah. With the game room.
With the game room?
Yeah.
Okay,
Porsha,
perfect.
whatever.
Okay, perfect. All right.
And you see we do painted brick, we gotta do a tile.
This is gorgeous.
Got the 8 tile door.
Oh, this is beautiful. Excuse me.
And you got 2 bedrooms as soon as you walk in that share their own bath.
What's the square footage?
2251.
Oh, wait, took off my shoes. Full bath. Another bed. Closet. Okay. And this one will be completed. So, as I was saying, I am, girl, I've been working, okay? I've been working for real today, trying to find my client a home. So, as you all have seen a few clips from a few houses, what I'm gonna do is put the full tours on my other channel, House of TCHANEL. But I am going to put like some little short clips of the homes, but those are over her budget, out of her price range. Beautiful homes, but they are out of her price range. So I did look at one that they have here, ready here in this community, but it's too small. It's a 3-bed with a study, single story. The backyard is, I don't know, she could put a small pool in there, but I know it's not what she's looking for. So we're gonna go to a different community about 50 minutes away. Oh my God. But he has a larger home, more, he showed me pictures. I think that's more her style. I just want to check out the community, and just to get the feel of the house, because again, she likes what I like, and so if I feel like she likes it, then that's one that I'll send to her. But it's well within her budget, and it's larger. So that just shows you guys location is everything. You can take one house, have it here, it's one price, and put that same house in a different community, and it costs a lot more. So anyway, I'm gonna go put this in my GPS and get to driving. I need to get some damn gas too. All right, y'all, so I am finishing up my day. I'm headed home. I have an hour to drive home, and if this truck behind me get close to me one more again, we're gonna have a problem. So we just left the home that they have in inventory. I didn't get any pictures or any video because I FaceTimed her the whole time, and I didn't get a chance to get any video. So boo to that. But the house is really cute, really nice. So we hung up. She's looking at the pictures and stuff like that, so she can decide what she wants to do. I think it's a great deal. It's a beautiful community, all of that, but you know, we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Make sure that you check out my other channel if you want to see the full tours of the other homes that I checked out today. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next one.